American celebrities are celebrating the collaboration Ghana had with Jordan.
Shout out FreeTheYouth Ghana. That's right, did a beautiful collaboration with Micheal Jordan, Jordan Brand Jordan. FreeTheYouth Ghana. You know what I mean? Big up Africa, Ghana. You know what I'm saying? Still.
What do you feel about it?
Did a great job.
Oh, yeah.
Let it cook.
Yeah. Let them boys cook, man. Shout out FreeTheYouth, man.
Appreciate it.
Jordan 1 collab.
Friends and family.
As you all know, Jordan is one of the famous brands in the United States of America. And the good news is that there is a Ghanaian brand that Jordan collaborated with. And guess what? When I Googled to check how, viral the video or this news has gone to, but I just saw a few videos about it. Then I'd be like, what is it? Like, what is happening with us Ghanaians? This is a big deal. This is something great that we should talk about. Like, we're supposed to use it and shake this world with it because it's a big deal for an international, a successful international brand to collaborate with this, a Ghanaian brand. I don't know if you guys are thinking what I'm thinking, but then guys, let's take a look at the video. But before then, I would love to say a very big thank you to my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for always clicking in. And if you're new here, my name is Delphina. I'm super excited to have you here. Please don't make it your last by subscribing to the channel, like this video and share the video. Also do well to press the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop another one. Guys, let's get right into the video. And please, at the end of it, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Let's watch.
Still. Shout out FreeTheYouth Ghana. That's right, did a beautiful collaboration with Micheal Jordan, Jordan Brand Jordan. FreeTheYouth Ghana. You know what I mean? Big up Africa, Ghana. You know what I'm saying? Still did a great job. Look at the details, look at the colors, look at the energy. Look at the energy. You know what I'm saying? Even here, they got like a whole nother material right here. And it's a whole nother material right here. This is like pattern right there, then the leather, different leathers. Still. So, thank you so much. Still.
We got a special meal today. You know what I mean?
The meal just arrived.
The meal has arrived. The FreeTheYouth.
The real meal.
Wow. You know what I'm saying?
What do you feel about it? How do you feel?
I'm ready to eat.
Oh, yeah.
Let it cook.
Yeah. Let them boys cook, man. Shout out FreeTheYouth, man.
Appreciate it.
Jordan 1 collab.
Friends and family.
Right here in Ghana too. I found
Just
right
one
here.
of the 75 pairs, and this is
88.
Out of 175.
Yeah, 88.
Lucky number.
You know what I mean?
Easy.
Appreciate you guys, bro.
Blessed, bro.
appreciate you too.
Thank you.
Ghana just made history in Africa, and it's like no one is even paying attention.
Wow.
Too much. Yeah, God sense. No, say the ever no. Yeah, Thailand's no. It's just socks and the Velcro chi and me tremo dress 101. This is the first African. This is the first African collab. Africa, Jordan
Now, why would Rema dog his Timberlands and wear the sneakers instead on stage? That is because what you see on his foot is not just any sneaker. This is history made by Ghana in Africa by this group of people called FreeTheYouth.
You get it?
Now, these sneakers are called the FTY Air Jordan 1, the first ever African brand collaboration with Jordan. Well, technically, not exactly. I mean, in 2022, there was Shelf Life in South Africa, which actually got to collaborate with Jordan. And that is because these people are not just a brand, but it's actually a store that sells all sorts of brands, including FreeTheYouth themselves. What makes this different from their own is that these are the most iconic Jordan shoes ever, by Peter Moore in 1985. You don't really get anyone, just anyone, collaborating with this particular sneakers. So to me, there, I'll say this is the first ever in Africa. Now, those people thinking that you can get it at Kanta, will they beg you? The shoe say if you no come.
You don't know.
If you go there and they give you another one, make you not take go room. This one, you know, be bombo, full tear gas.
I believe now you see reasons to, letting people know about this great achievement. Is an achievement because if you look at where this brand started, I mean, the Ghanaian local brand, if you look at where they started, nobody will ever expect that a brand like Jordan would sign them, like they will collaborate. And damn, like, are you getting it? Let's support our own. No, even P Square. Yes, Mr. P talk am. He talk and say, make we support our own. He was telling you guys about musician, right? Support your music. Those your musician, make una support them. Even though American artists sign them, that wouldn't make them stay famous forever, but your support will make them be on top, So likewise to this, when something like this happens, we should come out and talk about it. Let's come out and talk about it. Let's shake the world, Let's shake the world with this amazing So I believe you're already sharing the video. Yes, you're sharing the video. And I want to let you guys know about this guy. So this very guy, Joseph, he is a Ghanaian, right? And they call him mathematics, is it guru or so, teacher, something like that. Yeah, but I'm going to confirm the name and post it right here. So this very guy is embarking on a journey, okay? You guys already know that people are free to apply for Guinness Book of Record if they have any talent. So he saw that he have a talent. And I know you Ghanaians you love education a lot. So this guy, as the mathematics guru that he is, so he wants to challenge. He wants to challenge somebody. Yes, I don't know for how many hours the person, the person that he's going to challenge, the person is going to challenge, have his own, won his own Guinness Book of Record. But our humble brother here, from Cape Coast is going to challenge. But our humble brother here from Cape Coast is going to take mathematics lesson for 40 hours, okay? And guys, I'm going to be there. Yes, he formally invited me. Yeah, he invited me, and I saw it to be like, woo, as a Nigerian living in Ghana, I should go. It's a means of telling people that we are all one Africa. It doesn't matter if he's a Nigerian, if he's a Ghanaian, if he's from Togo, if he's an Ivorian, South African, or any other African country, but we are one, okay? So I will be going to Cape Coast today. I've never visited Cape Coast. This will be my first time. It will be my first time. So I'm honored. I'm honored to be part of this journey. I will not lie. So I don't just want to be part of it alone. That's why I want to drag you all. Yes, join me. Let's support this brother. Yeah, he's our brother. And if he becomes the winner, I mean, for sure, he will never be disqualified, because anywhere Delphina Day, everything they go smoothly. So let's celebrate him already, because he's going to be the winner. Yes. From now to 3 days time, he's going to be the winner. So I'm going to be in Cape Coast for 3 days. Yes, I'm going to be in Cape Coast for 3 days. So if you're in Cape Coast and you want to host me, I'm here. Host me, because as I did like this, I'm on red level. My level day red financially, but I have to go and support him. So guys, I'm going to drop my number here in case you want to support by sending data or it can be funds, money or whatever. You can send in a way of supporting me, so I can, because I'm planning on being on live throughout the journey with our brother. So I don't want you guys to miss anything. That's why I want it that way. Okay. I hope this news is an exciting one for you. As for me, it is. Guys, let's come out and support our own. Without us supporting our own, nobody will. As a Nigerian, I'm supporting this guy. So how much you Ghanaians? You guys should come support, okay? So I'm going to be live on YouTube and Facebook, okay? Maybe I will be on live on my TikTok, but I'm not sure. I'll be shuffling, maybe. I'm going to be off in one of the app and go to the other, because I only have 2 gadgets, 2 cell phone. But I don't know how it's going to be when we get there. we're going to cross, okay? So when something like this happens, we should come out and talk about it. Let's come out and talk about it. Let's shake the world, Let's shake the world with this amazing So I believe you're already sharing the video. Yes, you're sharing the video. And what happened now? You've not subscribed. What happened? Me that brought this amazing news for you to see. Then you are not subscribing to the channel. Then this one is for the newcomers. Subscribe to the channel already. Subscribe. Subscribe. I will never stop saying subscribe. Subscribe. And also like, share the video. Press the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop another. I don't want to be the first to get notified. Do that already, guys. I've come to the end of my video. I love you guys always. Bye-bye.